Have you ever felt overwhelmed? Perhaps running as fast as you can, but you still seem to be going backwards? If you answer no to either of those questions, then it's not worth continuing to watch this video. However, if you can relate to that, what I'd love to share with you today is one of the lessons that I've learned through actually being out in nature. And I'm sorry if my dog pops up at some point here, never mind. Nature has so many things that if we just tune into, we can learn so much about. And one of the things that I've learned that I can relate to overwhelm and how overwhelm can lead to stress onto anxiety, is to recognise the seasons. Really appropriate now as we're starting spring. Hi there, someone's just joined me, that's lovely. In springtime, things are in a period of growth. Spring then leads on to summer, summer to autumn, autumn to winter. And each of those seasons has its own particular role. So as I say, springtime, it's all about growth. Summer is all about abundance. Autumn is about harvesting that abundance. And then winter is a period of stillness and restoration. However, what we tend to do in our lives is try and live a perpetual summer, always working at full out, that period of really being abundant. But it's just not feasible. The years, the seasons wouldn't work. Even if there was 9 months of summer and 3 months of winter, there has to be a balance. And that reflects even into a daytime. Our spring is sort of from when we get up through to late morning. From 11 till about 4 is noted to be our most abundant time of the day. Early evening, a time to slow down, harvest the benefits of the day. And then we have the sleep, which is the equivalent of our winter. And so to relating this to overwhelm and anxiety is recognising, are you getting your seasons out of balance? Are you trying to live a perpetual summer? Are you getting up in the morning and forgetting about the spring? Because think, spring is like a springboard into your day. You need to prepare. But if you get up and you're straight away onto your phone, onto email, onto social media, there's another video that I did recently that you can find on the YouTube site that covers that one, and to why actually having a slower start to the day, investing in springing into your day slowly, preparing, can actually really reduce anxiety. So the message of today is really think about how you are structuring even your day in relation to the seasons. Are you going for a perpetual summer? Or is it perhaps that you're cutting the autumn short and you're not having that period of slowing down, which means that the winter doesn't work either? Balance your day, get those 4 elements into congruency, and you'll find that overwhelm reduces significantly as well. So I'd love it if you shared your thoughts with me on that. Comment on the video, whether it's on the live or on the replay. Let me know what you think. What are you now recognising? Do you have perhaps an extended spring and they never quite get into the summer before autumn hits? How is your day structured, and how may that be leading to your overwhelm and your anxiety? Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll be back with a new tip, perhaps out in nature again very soon. Bye bye for now.